In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change account balance on Tradingview. By the end, you'll have updated the initial balance of your paper trading account so your practice trades reflect the amount you want to test with. First, open Tradingview. This can be in your browser or the desktop app. Once it loads, go to any chart so you can access the trading tools along the bottom of the screen. Next, click Trading Panel at the bottom. This opens the area where trading connections appear. From here, ensure paper trading is connected. You should see paper trading listed with an indicator showing it's connected. This step confirms you're adjusting the simulated account, not anything related to a live broker. Now, click Paper Trading, then click the Settings gear icon. This opens the Paper Trading Settings window where you can control account parameters. Find the field labeled Initial Balance. This is the starting cash amount used for your paper trading account. It only affects simulated orders and results, and it does not touch any real funds or live accounts. Click into the Initial Balance field and enter your desired account balance. Type the exact amount you want to start with. If you make a typo, just backspace and retype until the value looks correct. Once that's done, click OK to save your change. The settings window will close, and your balance updates right away. Look back at the paper trading panel to confirm the new balance is showing. You can also glance at any on-chart trading panels or account widgets you have open. They will reflect the updated starting amount. At this point, your paper trading environment is calibrated to the balance you chose. This helps you test strategies and position sizes that match your intended account size more accurately. If you open new trades from here, the profit and loss calculations, margin usage, and performance metrics will all be based on the new initial balance you just set. If the balance doesn't appear to change immediately, double-check that you were in the paper trading settings window and that you clicked OK rather than closing the window. Also confirm you're viewing the paper trading panel, since the update is specific to that simulated account. The change is instant when saved, so you should see it without needing to refresh. To recap the flow you just followed on screen. You opened Tradingview, clicked Trading Panel, verified that paper trading is connected, opened the paper trading settings using the gear icon, edited the initial balance value, and confirmed it by clicking OK. Every change is safe to make because this is a simulated account used for practice only. If you need to run multiple tests with different balances in the future, you can return to the same settings window and update the initial balance again. Your paper trading account balance on Tradingview is now changed and ready for use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.